Hi, my name is Vincent. More than half a year ago, I traveled to Finland to surprise my best friend. And during my journey, I was fortunate enough to meet with groups of strangers that lives in the ideology of seek discomfort. So we put that belief to the test. We jumped into the frozen sea at -4 degrees with a group of strangers. And one of these crazy strangers happened to be a Finnish girl named Inari. She's having a gap year and she decided to travel around the world solo at the age of 20. And now she happens to be visiting me in Munich.
I have arrived.
Moi! Did you forget to take the food off the tray? How are you?
Okay, now.
I have something very important for you.
Okay, amazing.
I take welcoming my guests very seriously. Did I hold it right?
Thank you. Now I'm happy.
Yeah. Welcome to Munich. Willkommen München. She's here. Okay, get your inner female. Okay, are we good? Alright, so who are you? What's your name? Where are you from?
So my name is Inari Harjunmaa. I'm from Finland, from a small town called Huittinen, and I'm 20 years old. I just graduated from upper secondary school in Finland, which is like Finnish high school, and now I'm taking a gap year to like travel and trying to like figure out what to do. So I started my traveling from Europe. At the moment the plan is to have just one gap year, and during that I want to travel. I mean, I don't know how long I'm actually gonna be in gap year. Like after this year I want to find a place to study. But yeah, so after this
First sip of German beer. How do you like it?
Definitely better than Finnish beer, so it's really good. I like it.
Prost.
So that's why I don't know what I'm gonna do or where I'm gonna go. So I have a lot of questions, but I hope this year will give me even some sort of answers for my questions, and hopefully I will find myself from somewhere. Maybe I will take another gap year, but we'll see.
So you were born in which year?
2003.
And are you afraid or nervous about the future?
At the moment I'm not nervous about the future. I'm more likely like excited for the future.
What advice would you give to somebody who is turning 20?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I would say like try as many things, like try everything, experience many things, and like say yes for opportunities, and just try to do as much different things as possible and seek discomfort. So yeah.
Why are we not going inside?
There's too many people. Yeah.
The problem with traveling with Finnish people is they don't get excited about anything.
We don't show the excitement.
And we come here to try to see the sunflower from Vincent van Gogh. And just because of that little amount of people waiting in queue, she just instantly decide we're not gonna waste our life.
Yeah.
Is it stressful for you how to finance this trip?
In a way, yes, but also in a way, no. Like before this trip, I worked for 3 months in sausage factory, so I got pretty good money from that, and also.
Okay, this will be her first time trying currywurst. Okay, tell me, hit it. How do you like it, Finnish girl?
Very good, really.
Every time when she says something like that, I was thinking that she's faking it for the camera.
But it's actually like.
What do you know about Germany so far?
Danke schön.
About Germany, not your German language. What have you noticed?
They drink a lot of beer.
There's more than 1 million people in this city.
Yeah. It's like...
Are you scared?
No. I mean, it doesn't feel that big eventually.
Oh, you haven't been to many places yet.
Yeah, true. It's like 1 out of 5 of Finland in one city. Advices would you give to your younger self?
I would say it's very important to find your passion, but be patient if you don't find it.
Yeah.
It takes time.
What's the best way to find your passion? What's the best way to find your calling in life? The best way to find what you love in life is by doing something you hate.
Okay. I will remember that.
Where are we going today?
We are going to...
Do you feel comfortable, for example, staying with me?
Yeah.
Because we only meet once.
Yeah, like... yeah, with you I feel comfortable. Like, for example, because the first time we met, I got good vibes from you. So it got me like, you know, the confidence that you are a good person. So
I hope it turned out to be true.
Yeah. It turned out.
That's Berkele Min. It's the same as Hyväpäivä.
Yeah, definitely. Before doing this, I didn't realize like how much freedom you actually have by traveling solo. But like, it has been an eye-opening experience. Like, I have met so many friends, like people from hostels and just like from Yes Fam and like that. So it was amazing. Yeah, I will definitely do it more in the future.
Do you feel unsafe, specific, you know, as a young female?
I would say maybe in some places, like I have like in my back of my head I have like idea that not feeling so safe.
It's too tiring.
You tired?
I am tired. That's called aging, you know what it is? What would you like to say to someone who is afraid of go out of their comfort zone and travel solo?
Yeah, actually I just talked with my friend I was supposed to meet during this trip, but we couldn't make it. And she said that you are living the dream. Wow, like someone thinks that I'm living the dream. Like, it feels so real. So I will just say that just do it, and just because like you can't grow up if you don't go outside of your comfort zone. Do it when you're scared, because that's the only way you can do it and like get over your fears. So the end result, like even though it scares you, the end result is gonna be great. This is like my way of living, and I really love it. So I feel great, and this is something I really wanna continue in the future. So yeah, it feels amazing. Yeah. I appreciate every moment. So yeah, couldn't be happier. Can't complain.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
For doing this with me.
Thank you so much.
Dear Inari, thank you so much for visiting me in Munich. You are brave enough to live the life that most people are afraid to dream of. I wish you all the best in finding your passion, and I can't wait to hear your adventures ahead. With much love, Vincent.
I will watch the video when you.
Okay, and now I can tell the camera what they should do.
So what you should do is like, comment, and subscribe so Vince can have more subscribers.
All right.
So yeah.
Peace. Ciao.